Hello traders, on today's video we'll be exclusively talking about Ethereum and the Ethereum ETF that is on the news right now. So we have Mark Yusko, the CEO of Morgan Creek Capital. Recently he had an interview with Cointelegraph and here's what he had to say.
A lot of people are already expecting spot Ethereum ETF to be approved soon. Eric Balchunas, the ETF analyst at Bloomberg, said that there is a 70% probability that a spot Ethereum ETF will be approved by May this year. So what do you think? Would you agree with this sort of expectations?
And look, I think certainly anything's possible. I think the big challenge is timing. I mean, it took 10 years to go from the first application by the Winklevoss twins for an ETF in Bitcoin to approval yesterday. So now Ethereum will stand on the shoulders of giants in the sense that it probably won't take 10 years. But I think the big challenge is going to be, look, the SEC didn't want to approve this. You know, it was clear in the chairman's statement that, you know, we're approving the ETFs, but we're not approving or endorsing Bitcoin. Not that Bitcoin really wants or needs his approval, but they have clearly said in the past that Bitcoin is not a security. At one point, they said Ethereum was not a security, but then they kind of backed away from that. They pretty much just said anything else is a security. So probably not going to have ETFs in those anytime soon. I would say it's less than 70% chance. I'd probably say less than 50-50. I think it'll just come down to, are the people that run the firms that manage these assets willing to do the hard work to make it happen? So we'll see how that goes.
That's a good information from Mark Yusko. Now let's go to the technical aspect of Ethereum and see how this is going to impact the market. We can see it that on this monthly time frame chart, the Ethereum is supporting this curved trend line, and we can see a nice bounce coming in on Ethereum. There's a higher possibility that if Ethereum makes a good move, then we might see Ethereum reaching all the way to 10k above, and that's the target that I am personally setting up for this upcoming bull run. Moving on to the lower time frame chart, maybe in the weekly time frame we'll check it out. This chart, you have seen it before as well on my post. I have mentioned about the bounce coming in and for how long this rally will continue. So you can see it over here that in the past when the rally took place, it lasted almost for 406 days and the percentage rally was 19,300. The same thing after that, we saw this bear market coming in, and then March 2020 we saw Ethereum making a good rally close to 5,000%. It took almost 602 days, and then the bearish or the bear market came in. Right now we are at this phase where we are just initially starting off, or we are initially taking off to this bull market, and this rally could continue to reach all the way to 10k and above, and this might take roughly 600 or 650 days to continue, and maybe by the end of August, maybe at the very beginning of August 2025, we will see Ethereum close to 10k and above. So that's the range I'm keeping it on this weekly time frame. Moving out to the hourly time frame, we'll be checking out the 2-hour time frame chart over here, and as you can see it on the screen that we saw a nice consolidation taking place over here. The support and resistance levels are quite well maintained, and we can see that it is kind of bouncing back right now. If we see a breakout taking place somewhere like this, right, then we might see a good rally taking place again. So that's the expectation I'm keeping it. I believe whether it's the ETF coming in or not, Ethereum could do much better, and we cannot simply depend on this ETF coming in, right? We saw the impact that took place on Bitcoin. The same impact I'm not expecting on Ethereum as well, but it's for sure that it won't take quite a long for Ethereum ETF to get approved, as we already have this positive approval of the Bitcoin ETF. So sooner or later we will see this Ethereum ETF coming in as well. So that's it guys, that's the update I would like to give. I hope you find this video informative. Please do not consider this as a financial advice. This video is only meant for educational purpose, and do your research on this, do your analysis on this, and then get into your conclusion. So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.